Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you these pumpkin spiced cookies with marzipan coverage. I hope you like the video. So first things I have 250 grams of softened butter, 100 grams of sugar and 100 grams of brown sugar, 600 grams of plain flour. I have 2 eggs, vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of cloves powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of liquid glucose, and also I have a teaspoon of ginger powder. So first thing, I'm gonna add the sugar and the butter together, and I'm gonna mix them really well. Then I'm gonna add the eggs to it and just keep mixing it. I'm gonna add all the spices, a teaspoon of the clove powder, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, and a teaspoon of ginger powder. You can also add nutmeg powder if you like. I couldn't find it in the supermarket, so that's why I didn't add it, but you can also add that. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the glucose. And then mix it again all together. So do all the mixing before you add the flour. After you add the flour, you just need to fold it together. And after that, I'm gonna add the flour slowly. So I'm just adding a little bit, and then with the spatula I'm just folding it together. And after the dough is done, I'm gonna cover it and put it in the fridge. So I bought this cookie cutter from Shane. It was like £1 something or £2, something like that. So it comes with all those different faces. So that's what I'm gonna use. So I took my dough out, I cut it in half, and then I'm gonna put it between 2 grease papers, and so I can roll it to thin dough. I have the oven open to 180. So the cookies, you just leave them in the oven for like a few minutes. We cook so quickly. You need to keep an eye on them. So keep rolling it and then checking the thickness of the cookies. So when you reach the desired you want, you just stop and then start cutting them off. So I'm gonna use some flour to dip the cookie cutter on so that they don't stick to the dough. So first I'm gonna do the circle shape, and then the middle section where it shows the pumpkin details. So just press it gently, and that's it really, and then pop them in the oven. That's it. After they come out of the oven, leave them to cool down completely before you put the marzipan on top of them. You can also leave them like this if you want. You don't need to add the marzipan. If you don't have the marzipan, also you can put icing or royal icing, whatever you like. So I'm using this marzipan, is already colored, so I bought it from a website called the Cake Decorating Company. As you can see here, it's written it's halal as well, so it was easy. It was like orange and purple, the ones I'm using now, but they have other colors on the website. So for the marzipan I'm using corn flour, so I'm just putting a little bit on the surface there and just rolling it up, so it makes it easy when you put the corn flour. And I'm gonna clean it up afterwards, don't worry about that. That's it. I'm gonna use the same cutter and I'm gonna dip it again on the corn flour and use the same method, only this time I'm gonna use the face things as well. So after I cut it to the shape, I'm gonna go ahead and use any eyes or the mouth stuff, so just I'm just using them randomly, as you can see. So I'm gonna dip them again on corn flour and just cut straight in the marzipan. And I did the same thing with the purple one. That's it. It's actually remove the shapes and then you stick it on top of the cookies. So I sticked it using glucose. So I take the cookie and just put a little bit of glucose around it. Not too much, just a little bit, just brush it like with a brush or something. And then just put the marzipan on top and just adjust it to the cookie and just press it down gently. That's it. It just takes time to do all of them and a lot of patience, so just be patient with it. And then I'm gonna take a clean brush and just clean all the corn flour that's showing. There you have it. So lastly, I'm gonna add some edible glitter. Just spray it on. I just used the silver one. As you can see, it looks really cute. And that's it. I hope you like this video for today. I really hope so. Don't forget to like and share my videos. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye.